Okay, hello, brothers and sisters. So today we're gonna be exporting our layout to a PDF. So we're gonna have two types. I think it would be a map with imagery, a satellite imagery in background, and the other one would be without imagery. So we're gonna have like a comparison at the end. So what I'm doing here is I just turned on the satellite imagery layer. Okay, yan. So that is the Baybay area, right? And then, okay, what am I doing? I'm grouping things. I guess for easier turning on and off. So I'm grouping these layers. This is our main Baybay layers. Then I am putting a transparency in this group. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting a transparency to the polygons so that you can see the background, which is our satellite imagery. So parang ano to, transparent, so you can see more of the satellite imagery, no? So this is also part of your cartography. Kasi if you don't put transparency, you won't be able to see much of the satellite imagery at the background. So looks much better if you put some transparency to your layers. Okay, then here, what am I doing? I'm adding another label. Okay, halo. Okay, tama ba? Halo. Okay, we just continue watching and watching and watching. Okay, I am now using a what did I do? Okay, continue. Okay, I'm putting a label on the road names. Okay, what happened? Okay, still not satisfied. Now we're going to the buildings. And we're changing what? Yan, we're putting a halo. Okay. Oy, malaki masyadong halo. Hindi lang ba? Okay. Hindi naman okay. Wrong layer. So here also, we're gonna put a halo. Okay. Ayan, there is a halo, white halo. So, tapos, anong nangyari? Ayan, so that is our map. Okay. So I noticed a legend, something got added automatically. So I'm just gonna take one out. Dapat two. One. No, there should be another one that should be taken out. Kasi dalawang building. Okay, yan. I noticed. Yan. Okay, ganyan na ang legend natin. So ganyan na ang itsura ng map. of Baybay City Leyte with satellite imagery. Satisfied ba ako? Parang hindi pa satisfied. Okay. So now in the location map, I'm putting a background on the ocean area of Philippines. So this is also part of your cartography, no? You want something to look maybe nicer or more artistic. So I change it to a more near ocean color. Maybe bluish, light blue. I'm just testing here with the color selector ba yun? Okay, siguro okay na yan. Okay na, press okay. Okay, ayan, okay ba? Sige, okay na lang. Okay, so are we ready to export? So in our location map, I'm just adjusting the scale. Scale na then. You want the scale to be like very anong tawag to? You don't want like, you want an exact number. Like how many zeros? What is this? 2 million? Okay, 1:2 million. Ba yun? Hindi ko nakabasa eh. Maliit masyado. Okay. Satisfied na, I think. Hindi pa satisfied. Yan. Where are you going? Save as. Okay, we're gonna save it as Baybay. Ano? I cannot read it kasi maliit kasi monitor ko. Baybay with imagery ata. Yan, we're ready to export to PDF. So we export to PDF, tapos you can add that wizard a while ago, you can adjust yung resolution and then the quality. But let's see what happens. Ayan, I see it. This is our PDF. Ganda, diba? How do you like it? Baybay City Leyte. Tapos I think later we're gonna compare it with the map without imagery. Okay? So nag-zoom in lang ako to see and showing you all kung anong itsura. So parang okay naman siguro. And you know, if you can take more time, you can make a better map. But for this tutorial, okay naman. Remember people, if you get more interested in GIS, you can go to esri.com, esri.com. They have some free GIS tutorials or lessons. So those interesado, please visit your website. Yan, this is our map without imagery. So marami puti. I mean, we could just adjusted the ocean area. We could have changed it to siguro another light blue color. But anyways, for this tutorial, okay na to. So what am I gonna do here? I think I'm gonna be comparing both with satellite imagery and without imagery, side by side, no? Yan. Okay. So sometimes yung maganda tingnan yung with satellite imagery, but sometimes for different usages, mas maganda yung white background, no? It's more clear, it's more focused on the features. So that ends, almost ending ba our so almost ending. I don't know what happened, na voice nawala, but anyways, we're ending. A few more. So here, just still comparing, and then so try to create your own maps with aerial and without, aerial, not satellite, with and without satellite imagery.